Hey everyone, it's Nathan Susin from Island Sosco, and over the next little bit we're going to be taking you guys through some quick tips to try and take that home barbecue to the next level. Hey everyone, so for today's quick tips, I'm going to teach you guys how to make onion frits. Onion frits are a great complement to your barbecue, whether you want to put them on your pulled pork sandwich or fire them on top of one of your favorite salads to go with your grilled meats. So once you have your onion all sliced and tossed in your flour, you're going to take that onion right to your hot oil on your barbecue. So once you're done frying your onion frits and you got a nice even color, you're going to want to take them, dry them off in paper towel, and then once you have them in your bowl, Island Sosco, and this will be a product coming to you soon. This is our Love Rub, a spice that is great on anything. So be generous and just toss your frits in that. And that's your quick tutorial on onion frits. So that was your quick tip for today. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Island Sosco and check out our site at islandsosco.com. My name's Nathan Susin and we're out.